Cardi B beats the case, then makes headlines for what happened right after. A California jury cleared Cardi of all assault charges in a $24 million lawsuit. The verdict? Not liable. But when one reporter pushed too far, Cardi snapped, launching her pen and demanding respect.
Said is publicly bragging about getting you pregnant for the 4th time. Do you foresee any paternity issues with Stephon Diggs?
Stop.
Issues with Stephon Diggs.
Stop disrespecting me. Don't disrespect me.
I still love you even though you just threw some stuff at me.
I don't care. You're disrespectful. Don't do that. Do you see women asking those type of questions to me?
No, ma'am. That's a legit
Why do you feel as a man you get to ask me those type of questions? Act like you have some manners. And your mama taught you, respect women.
The moment has gone viral, not for the case, but for Cardi's bold stand, respect women. Do you think Cardi was justified or did she go too far? Drop your thoughts below and lock in with Sonic Snap.